Most AI isn't actually AI, and that's why businesses get it wrong. AI has become one of the most overused words in business right now, and the problem is it means everything and nothing at the same time. Most of what's being sold as AI today isn't actually AI in the way people think it is. If you're a business owner, operator, that nuance matters. Because generative AI, machine learning, automation, and agentic AI are not the same things. They solve completely different problems and require completely different systems to work. Let's talk automation. This is the one that most people are calling AI right now, and it's not. When X happens, do Y. No learning, no intelligence, no adaptation. It's workflows, triggers, and rules. Still valuable, but it's not AI. It's process execution. Next, I guess, is machine learning. Machine learning is where things actually start to get interesting. This is where the systems use data to make predictions and decisions. Think lead scoring, think churn prediction, sales forecasting. It's not creating content, it's analyzing patterns in your data to improve outcomes. But here's the catch. If your data's bad, the output is bad. That's important. Generative AI. This is the one that's pretty popular right now. This is where tools like ChatGPT and models from companies like Anthropic come in. They are called large language models. These systems are trained on massive amounts of data, mostly the internet, text, images, content. They're incredibly powerful, but here's where people get it wrong. These tools don't actually understand your business. They're basically guessing the next word in a sentence, which we'll talk about later. They're generating responses based on the patterns they found on the internet, not your internal data, not your systems, not workflows. So without structure, without context, they're helpful, but they're limited. And then there's agentic AI, the direction things are moving in. This is where systems don't generate or predict, they take actions. They can make decisions, execute tasks, operate across workflows. But this only works if your systems, data, and processes are already solid. Otherwise, you're just automating chaos. Here's the bottom line. AI isn't one thing, it's a stack of capabilities. And most businesses skip the fundamentals. They jump straight to the flashiest level. But real value doesn't come from the tool, it comes from how it's applied inside your systems, your data, and your workflows. Stay sharp, think bigger, build smarter.